Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about mobility and depressibility test. The test is used to evaluate the integrity of attachment apparatus surrounding tooth. Second one is test consists of moving a tooth with a handle of two operative instrument. As we can see in this diagram, mobility is determined by moving a tooth laterally using a handle of two operative instrument. Amount of movement is indicative of the condition of the periodontium. Greater the movement, poorer the periodontal status. Depressibility test. This test consists of moving a tooth vertically in its socket. It means we will press the tooth vertically in the socket. May be done with finger or instrument. When depressibility test exists, chance of retaining the tooth ranges from poor to hopeless. If depressibility test is there, then retaining the tooth ranges from poor to hopeless. Endodontic treatment should not be carried out on the teeth with third degree mobility unless mobility is reduced when pressure in the periodontium has been relieved. Coming to the Miller's Tooth Mobility Index, first degree mobility, first distinguishable sign of movement greater than normal. Second degree mobility, horizontal tooth movement with a range of 1 mm. Third degree mobility, horizontal tooth movement greater than 1 mm or when tooth can be depressed. Clinical note, palpation, percussion, mobility and depressibility test, the integrity of attachment apparatus, that is periodontal ligament, bone, and are not diagnostic when disease is confined within the pulp cavity of the tooth. It means when disease is limited to the pulp cavity of the tooth, these all tests are negative. They are not diagnostic. They are diagnostic only when the disease has extended to the periodontal ligament. Thank you.